Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Cash App business account. First, launch Cash App on your phone and tap the profile icon in the top right corner. In your profile settings, tap Personal. This is where your basic information is stored. Scroll down and tap Switch to Business Account. What happens when you switch? You'll get a business badge, transparent transaction fees, and tax documents. Choose your business type. You will see options like individual, sole proprietor, LLC, corporation, and non-profit. Pick what fits your situation. Enter your business name, location, and other basic details, then follow the prompts to finish setting it up. And that's it. You now have a Cash App business account. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.